find the solution of where d is equal to d by dx. The capital D means differentiate of some function by dx. So that one is y, right? Because we have y there. So from this differential equation, we can write the characteristic equation like this. Now, how many m values that we should be able to find? How many roots? This one 2 and this one, yep, altogether are 4. We got to find 4 roots of m from this differential equation. The first two from here, we got m is equal plus minus I, right? Another two, we got to find from this one, which is m squared plus 2m minus 2. This one again, we got to use the formula. Equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 12 over 2, which is minus 2 plus minus 2 over 2 times square root 3 by 2, which is minus 1 plus minus square root 3. This part we use case 3, right? M1 and M2, it is a complex number which has the real part equal to 0. So M1 and M2 we use case 3. M3 and M4 we use case what? Case 1, right? Because it's a real number. Now the answer of this is next is the case 4. 2 itself is a complex root. It's a repeated complex root. Case 4 is a repeated complex root. If we have m equal to a plus minus bi and repeated for k times, then the answer of this equation would be this form. in this form. Actually, it just looks pretty much as the second case, that the term that you have C is going to go by C1 plus C2x plus until ck times x to the power k minus 1. It just depends like how many times that it's repeated. Okay, and then but the rest is just the same. You have cos bx and sin bx. Okay, so in that case, you would have what? K times, you got to have altogether 2k terms because you have 2k roots. Understand? Let's see the example. Example, you have d squared minus 2d plus 5 to the power 2 times y equal to 0. When you write out the characteristic equation, you would get m squared minus 2m plus 5 to the power 2. So that means actually you have m squared to the power 2. So altogether m is to the power 4. That means you got to find m for 4 roots. You have 4 roots of m, right? But it just repeated because it is the same. If you write down another way, you would get something like this. Right? And the way to find the roots for this one, you use the formula again. It is complex number, right? Because you got square root of negative 16. So m, 3, and 4 just exactly the same as 1 and 2. So that means your m is 1 plus minus 2i and 1 plus minus 2i. So that means it's repeated for 2 times, right? K is equal to 2. Now, y is equal to exponential of. What is the real part of this complex number? A equal to 1, right? And then you go by C1 plus C2x, right? Because your k is equal to 2, k minus 1 equal to 1. So you would end up with C2x. That is called repeated complex root.